Hi guys, it's Katie with Flavor Fancy, and today we are going to be making my favorite, pork belly. It's the same cut of meat as bacon. A 5-pound cut of pork belly from my butcher, and I just sprinkle black pepper on it. I use Himalayan salt, but you can use whatever salt you have lying around, or if you're trying to watch your sodium, you can use light salt. And then I use granulated garlic because I put garlic on everything. But you can leave this off, it's optional. Use liquid smoke if I don't have time to put this in the smoker. But if you have smoked paprika, that will work as well. Then I just give it a little bit of a rub down and I turn it over and I start scoring the fat. This does two things. It helps the meat not to curl up while it's cooking, and then it also helps all those seasonings to soak in and get to the meat side. I then season this side the same way I did the other side and rub it in. And then I let it sit in the fridge for up to 24 hours or as little as 1 hour. I place the pork fat side up in a preheated oven at 450 degrees for 30 minutes. I turn down the oven to 350 degrees for 30 minutes, and then I turn it back down to 200 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Room temperature, and I cut it into 8-ounce chunks, and I individually wrap them, freeze them. And then when I want to defrost them, I just pull out 2 or 3 at a time and put them in my refrigerator for 24 hours. Then you can slice these up like bacon and pan-sear them, but I like to leave them whole. I put them in the oven at 350 until they reach an internal temperature of 140 degrees, and then I place them under the broiler until the fat gets all nice and crispy. A 1-ounce portion of pork belly has 80 calories, and a macro ratio of 78% fat and 22% protein. My go-to keto meal is a BLT salad. I use spring mix, heirloom tomatoes, and a lemon aioli vinaigrette. Leave a comment below with a recipe you'd like to see me do next, and remember to like and subscribe for more keto treats. Have a wholesome day.